Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different compound is given. P is dicarbonyl, Q is diester, R is carbonyl ester, S is alkene with ketone there. You have to find quick deprotonation occur at which compound. Here the answer is simple. The given compound all are active methylene group compound. Here acidity defined by the anion stability, or you can say the carbonyl positive charge. More positive charge on the carbon, more will be the beta carbon acidity, because it will be more electron withdrawing, more stabilize the anion. If you look at the compound P, it has 2 carbonyl group, it stabilizes better, it's more acidic compound. If you look at the Q, it has lone pair with oxygen, so it donates, it reduces the positive charge on the carbon. Same happen with the compound R, it also donates. But if you look at the compound S, it has carbonyl group and alkene group, but carbonyl group is more electronegative than alkene, so it is less effective than compound P. So the compound P is more acidic because it has 2 carbonyl groups, more positive charge on the carbon. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.